I bought my blue Cuda here back in 1977, and at the time it was no easy task even finding a Cuda. I looked and looked for a couple of months. I finally found this car and I bought it. I had previously owned a 1970 Barracuda with a 318. This one has a 340, but anyway, I found it. It needed some work. I've restored it. The restoration is, I would say, about 25 years old. So it's held up really well. This shop here has been its home for about 27 years. We're waiting to get the transmission back, the power steering box, and a few other things. Once that's done, we'll be good to go. Steve's going to come over here and we're going to get this thing back on the road. I'm looking forward to that day.